So this is how you work as a receptionist at a hotel. So first you go to the group and then let's go to the hotel. Now let's play it. Alright, so we wait. I will always remember. Now you'll be heading to the reception. That's how you start giving room. So you will be doing this. Give a username, Ubuntu, room 201. And as you see here, I already have the room. So to take away the room, you need to do take username Ubuntu, room 201. Or if you want to give it yourself, you can also do a give me room 202. Take me room 2. Alright, so to take all of the room you own, you're gonna do a take me room. And then the room is gone. There. Give me room 201. There, now I can access to the rooms, so it's this way. Go to room elevator, floor 2. So over there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 201, so this room. Aim the key card. There. Here's your room. To open the doors, do this. Aim the key card over there, and then boom, the door opens. Let me tell you, to take away the room, it's impossible when the person is holding it. So let's take me room. So the key card was to stay there. So if I put the key card away, now take me room. There. Oh yeah. So that's it.